Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can group your shapes on Microsoft Word, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. To group your shapes in Microsoft Word, it's actually pretty easy. Let me show you how. Let's use this as an example. So as you can see, I have 4 different shapes right here, and it's still not grouped yet. So now to group all these shapes, first, I want you to press your Shift key on your keyboard. And while pressing your Shift key, I want you to select all the shapes that you want to group. And then once you've selected all the shapes, go and right-click the first shape that you selected earlier when you're holding your Shift key. And after that, you will now be able to see the group option right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, it's done. Your shapes will now be grouped together. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.